We got a puppy. Here are some of the videos from the first few months of having Reggie the retriever. If you want to follow him on Instagram, TikTok, he's grown so much in the first few months so quickly. He's learned a lot. We've learned a lot about having a puppy. It's been an interesting experience. I'll be sharing some of the things that we've learned, some of the things that we wish we knew before getting a puppy, some of the things that we've learned along the way. Hopefully this will be useful for anyone who's thinking of getting a puppy or who's just got one and needs a few tips and pointers. I'm by no means an expert at all, completely the opposite to be honest, but I've learned a lot. And hopefully some of the things that I've learned might help you, might work for you as well. So here are loads of clips from the first few months of having Reggie.
Yeah, you get that blanket.
Like we got ourselves into a bit of a pickle here. Yeah, I don't know with your friends. I don't think so. Really? Really?
There's going to be videos of training, playing, reviewing Amazon toys, slow feeders, games and puzzles, lots of different things. And just watching him grow up, we're going to document his journey. document. If there are any videos that you'd like to see, comment them down below. It'll be good to have some more video ideas so we know what we can film next. Make sure you follow along, hit that subscribe button. I've got loads of videos on my phone. I'm just going to be posting the shorts and videos randomly here and there. There's going to be lots of videos of him coming soon, and I'll see you soon. Having a dog for the first time was a bit tricky. We got off to a rough start. While watching these dog videos, if you do need to go somewhere else, just hit the pause button. We did get off to a rough start.